Alright, so this was a fun little project. We peeled off 3 of these panels. Old aluminum screens. Oh, there they are now. Old horrific aluminum screens. Like it's just crunchy, and there's my brand new black high visibility screen. Looking beautiful. Took these wood battens off, stapled everything on. And I imagine the customer will have me back for those, but he's going to catch his breath for a few minutes, and these will suffice for now. One, two, and 3. You're not on the video, but how would you say you're thrilled with the work we did?
Thrilled beyond imagination.
Oh boy, this is going to sound like a family affair. Okay, great.